How old are you, Catch? At nalibot mo na ang buong mundo sa edad mong yan?
I am 36 years old po this year. Magta-37 this year.
36, 37.
Yes.
Anong edad mo nung nagsimula ka na lumibot ng buong mundo?
Ang first aeroplano na sinakyan ko para makalabas ng Philippines was when I was 20 years old. And then after 4 years being OFW, 24 was when I decided I'll do everything so I can achieve this goal. So 24 until 36, 12 years my life. And
Okay, wow.
po,
And how many passports does it take to travel the whole world with 100 what? 193 countries.
900
Nakailang passport ka na? Ilan yung hawak mo?
5 po, 4 canceled and my existing one, 5 passport.
Wow! At may premyo ba naman ang ginawa mong yan? Dahil nilibot mo yung buong mundo. May premyo ba?
Actually, walang premyo, pero dahil kailangan mong mag-survive sa real world, I established companies, may mga startup ko, which also like helped me na para maging premyo. So I have like Filipino passport. Kung ang puro problema ko dati ay paghanap ng visa, sa mga bansang pinuntahan ko, na-meet ko yung mga immigration officer, companies, then I started my own company. So I help Filipinos on how they can do it too. Especially sa mga bansa na walang embassy at consulate sa Pilipinas.
Ayun,
So I
oo.
think ito yung reward. And like having a voice na para yung yung mission ko naman in life, I could have like something to say na sinabi ko na tatrabahuin ko yung ikutin ko ang buong mundo, and then I think in the other things that I wanted to do, meron na akong batayan. Look, I did it, mahirap, and anything impossible that I would say, I think I would do it. So parang ayun na yung reward.
Correct. So the next thing you'll do is you'll fly from out of the window, right?
And next thing to go, like I've said already po. But next thing I do is I want to visit all the provinces in the Philippines, 82 provinces.
Oh, wow. Oo, maganda,
Educate.
maganda yan.
Yes,
Okay, so
educate naman.
how did you finance yourself? May gastos yan, ha? Hindi ka naman nagtatrabaho. Paano mo ginawa yun?
Magastos po. And I am the travel blogger behind Two Monkeys Travel. And during that time, 2014, ako yung isa sa mga unang bloggers. And I know, nung una po, mga backpacking, volunteering. And then eventually, I ended up working with tourism boards. I worked with the Ministry of Tourism Affairs nung mga bansa na pinuntahan ko. Halimbawa, Gambia, Senegal, tapos yung iba't ibang bansa. So I think I work with like 60, 70 countries. And then yung mga bansa na hindi naman nila afford na sponsoran pa ako, na ako dapat ang magbigay na donation. I work like, halimbawa, nagsulat ako ng articles, I'll get like advertising, sponsorship, I publish it in publications. Until nga po, nag-start na ako ng yung Filipino passport na yung negosyo ko po at saka travel agency. So, I enjoy being tour leader naman. Ako naman yung
Wow.
off the beaten po.
Ayun, para-paraan lang, kumbaga. At yes, sa lahat ng napuntahan mo, ano ang iyong naging paborito?
Marami po akong ginawa talaga. Like, I live on a sailboat for 2 years para ma-travel ko ang Caribbean. Pero pinaka-exciting even until now was when I went to Antarctica noong 2016. And imagine, like, galing sa Pilipinas, tapos nakikipaglangoy ako sa mga penguin kahit malamig. Like, it will always be like a dream come true.
Wow,
Like,
good for you. And lalo na, bata ka pa, nakakalakad ka pa ng mabilis. Kaya mo pa ang
Opo.
lamig. I think everybody should do it while they're young, right? Pero ano ang payo mo sa mga gusto pa ring maglakbay tulad mo?
Like, if they want to visit more countries, especially we as Filipinos, kung gusto mo lang tulungan sarili mo, like, I suggest that you learn the digital skills so you can work remote. Kasi kaya po na, sabi nila, paano mo nagawa yun? Dami mong time. Because I work on my computer. I'm a digital nomad. And I became an entrepreneur eventually. But like, I work anywhere. Like, why work from home? Why work there? If you can make a deal that you can, like, kung kikita ko ng same income na habang nasa Manila ako, and I can just be in Ethiopia, or I can just be in Sudan, I can be in this country as long as there's internet. So I suggest sa mga taong gustong gawin yung ginagawa ko, hindi pa huli ang lahat. Like, learn digital skills and work anywhere you want.
And take a lot of vitamins, I suppose. Maraming
Yes.
salamat. Congratulations, Catch Umandap. And hope you do the world over a second time after you tour the Philippines. Maraming salamat.